How's it going, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I will be showing you this beautiful white and brass Hunter Original ceiling fan manufactured in 1984. This fan is one of my buddies. Colin collects fans, and he will be demonstrating it for you. Let's start off on low. Really nice fan, something you'd see in a nicer home in the 90s and late 80s in Florida.
Something Nick forgot to mention, it's a 2.5 amp model. It's one of the last 2.5 amp fans they made before switching to the reversible PSC motor in 1985.
That's right.
So, for those of you who care.
Alright, want to go to medium?
3-speed via coil taps, I believe.
Alright, you want to go to high? Alright, there's high. She's flying like a G6 Pontiac. Puts out a nice breeze just like any other vintage Hunter Original. Alright, you want to do a coast down? We'll let it coast down for the video since it's such a luxurious fan.
Yeah.
Alrighty folks, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.